Look here. This card has one big dot. And see, the number written below is 1.
Wow! 1 dot and number 1. Easy.
Now this card has 2 dots, one here and one there. And see, the number is 2.
Yes! 1, 2. 2 dots and number 2.
This card shows 3 dots in a row, and the number below is 3.
1, 2, 3. 3 dots and number 3.
Look, here we have 4 dots in a square shape. The number is 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots and number 4.
Now see, this card has 5 dots, 4 in corners and 1 in the middle. The number is 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Number 5.
Here's a dice face with 6 dots, and the number is 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots and number 6.
This chart has 7 dots in it, and the big number is 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 7.
Look at this paper. 8 dots are here, and the number is 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! Number 8.
The screen shows 9 glowing dots, and the number is 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 9.
Finally, here are 10 dots, and the number is 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray!